Welcome to today's review of the top 5 best cordless stick vacuums in 2026, where we explore cutting-edge cleaning performance, advanced technology, and real-world efficiency. Stay with us until the end to discover which model delivers unmatched value and may completely transform your home cleaning experience this year. Today here, I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Tineco Pure ONE S15. Priced around $299 to $399, this sleek cordless cleaner promises high-tech cleaning with impressive suction and intelligent sensors that adjust automatically. Let's see why this might be your next must-have home upgrade. Design and build. Lightweight yet sturdy, the S15 feels premium. Its ergonomic handle and LED display make cleaning intuitive, even in tight spaces. Smart technology. The iLoop sensor detects dirt levels in real time, automatically adjusting suction power for efficient and effortless cleaning every time. Performance. Strong suction handles dust, debris, and pet hair easily. It performs surprisingly well on both carpets and hard floors. Battery life. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of runtime. It's enough for most homes without frequent recharging interruptions. Maintenance. Easy to empty dustbin and washable filters keep maintenance simple and cost-effective for everyday users. Conclusion. The Tineco Pure ONE S15 blends smart tech with powerful cleaning, definitely worth considering. Number 4. The Dyson Gen5 Detect, priced around $750 to $1,000, is turning heads with its insane power and laser dust detection. This isn't just cleaning, it's a whole new experience that might completely change how you see your floors forever. Design and build. Premium, sleek, and surprisingly solid, the Gen5 Detect feels like luxury engineering. The redesigned grip and built-in tools make cleaning seamless and comfortable, even during long sessions. Smart technology. The laser-like fluffy optic head reveals invisible dust, while sensors automatically adjust suction power in real time for smarter cleaning. Performance. With a motor spinning up to 135,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers incredibly powerful suction that rivals corded vacuums effortlessly. Battery life. Enjoy up to 70 minutes of runtime, perfect for whole home cleaning without constant recharging interruptions. Maintenance. HEPA filtration captures 99.99% of particles, keeping your home cleaner and healthier with minimal effort. Conclusion. The Dyson Gen5 Detect is expensive, but once you try it, going back feels impossible. Number 3. The Shark Stratos Cordless, priced around $299 to $499, is packed with surprising tech that feels almost futuristic. From smart sensors to odor control, this isn't just cleaning, it's a next-level experience you didn't know you needed. Design and build. The Shark Stratos looks sleek yet practical, with a flexible wand that bends effortlessly under furniture. It feels sturdy without being heavy, and the LED display gives it a modern, high-tech vibe during everyday cleaning sessions. Smart technology. CleanSense IQ automatically detects hidden dirt and boosts suction power, giving up to 50 tur pickup without you lifting a finger. Performance. This vacuum delivers seriously impressive suction, even achieving top scores in deep carpet cleaning tests, making it one of the strongest cordless performers out there. Battery life. Expect around 20 to 60 minutes depending on mode, which is enough for most homes but may need planning for larger cleaning sessions. Maintenance. With anti-hair wrap and odor neutralizer technology, it keeps both the brush roll and your home fresher with minimal effort. Conclusion. The Shark Stratos Cordless feels smarter, stronger, and more advanced than you'd expect, definitely one that surprises. Number 2. The Shark PowerDetect Cordless, priced around $400 to $600, feels like something out of the future. Packed with intelligent sensors and powerful suction, it promises a smarter, faster clean that might genuinely surprise you the first time you use it. Design and build. Sleek yet practical, this vacuum feels solid without being bulky. The flexible wand bends easily under furniture, while the overall design balances comfort and durability for everyday cleaning sessions. Smart technology. PowerDetect intelligence uses multiple sensors to detect dirt, edges, and floor types, automatically boosting suction by up to 75% for efficient cleaning. Performance. With strong suction and dual clean detect technology, it captures debris in both forward and reverse motions, making cleaning noticeably quicker and more effective. Battery life. You'll get up to 70 minutes of runtime, enough to clean most homes without interruption, depending on the selected power mode. Maintenance. Anti-hair wrap plus keeps the brush roll tangle-free, while easy-to-clean filters and attachments make upkeep simple and stress-free. Conclusion. The Shark PowerDetect Cordless doesn't just clean, it thinks, adapts, and impresses. Number 1. The Dyson V15 Detect, priced around $650 to $800, reveals hidden dust with a laser and delivers incredibly powerful suction. It's not just a vacuum, it's a smart cleaning machine that transforms the way you look at your floors. Design and build. Sleek, modern, and premium, the V15 Detect feels incredibly well built. The LCD screen displays real-time cleaning data, adding a futuristic touch to everyday chores. Smart technology. Its laser-slim fluffy head illuminates microscopic dust, while sensors adjust suction power automatically for smarter, more efficient cleaning every single time. Performance. With powerful suction and advanced filtration, it handles fine dust, debris, and pet hair effortlessly across both carpets and hard floors. Battery life. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime, which is perfect for full home cleaning without constant recharging interruptions. Maintenance. Easy bin emptying and washable filters keep maintenance simple, saving time and long-term costs for users. Conclusion. The Dyson V15 Detect is powerful, intelligent, and surprisingly addictive to use. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.